right, today we're going to bring an outdoor post light. Now, if you guys can see it, this is all real glass. All right, and it's kind of like a little, not frost, but it's all shaped in different forms. Now, the light bulb's not included on this one, and this is actually very simple. So if you have a front entrance with an actual post, this will actually tie down. There's 3 screws to actually mount it into the post. It goes in there, and that's pretty much it. You got your ground, which is the copper one. You got your hot, which is the black one, and then you got your neutral. So you're going to require only 3 cables to connect, and then you got the topper. This is the actual top of it, and they do give you the screws to screw them in here, and you just got to find the actual screw area, and that's pretty much it. So this is the actual light fixture. I'm gonna let it go, as you can see. Now, like I said, there is no light bulb involved. There's nothing in here, so you have to provide your own light bulb. All right, up to 60 watts on this one, and we're gonna test it out and see how beautiful it looks at night. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, it's a beautiful outdoor light that you can set up on any post that you have. Now it has to be a certain size, all right, in order to tie it in. I actually have a post holding it down, but this is perfect for your front entrance. Look at that changing light. I'm just gonna show you guys the brightness of the actual light, how it works. So if you're ever looking for an outdoor light, this is a perfect device for you guys, for your entrances. Outdoor graded, waterproof, keeping the electronics inside safe. Simple to put together. 2 pieces already comes assembled. No light bulbs included. Easy to put together. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.